Afternoon from Ashland, Virginia. I'm Lindsay and I'm here to take you on a little tour of this 2023 Thor Miramar. It's beautiful. You can see we just flashed by the outdoor party area with the TV and the outdoor kitchen. You can see the outdoor of this unit is beautiful and big and clean. It has this one giant slide out, which makes the interior seem huge, which you're going to see in just a minute. All in all, the exterior is in fantastic condition. Coming to the inside, we're going to walk up to the very front. These captain's chairs are very plush and comfortable. It's on the Ford chassis. Not sure what else to say about this. Everything looks like it's in great condition. As we swing around, we're going to see these two chairs that are comfortable for watching the TV, which is just across the way. This is the dinette, comfortable seating for probably 6. A beautiful kitchen with the refrigerator on the opposite side and a large pantry. That was the control center there on the wall. Here's the bathroom. Has everything you need. I love the sliding doors on the shower. It keeps everything looking clean and fresh. And then as we walk down, here's the bunkhouse. Perfect for stashing a couple kids or pups or extra stuff. And this is the master bedroom in the back. It's beautiful. It has a sliding door that closes it off, but it has tons of storage. I'm going to show you just a little bit of it. You could easily keep all of your stuff in here. Whole wall of storage on this side, drawers and doors, obviously a TV, more drawers. This unit, I believe, has an adjustable bed. It's in this seated position now, but each side of the bed has these storage cabinets with a little charging unit, perfect for keeping your own space the way you like it, which I love. Here's the sliding door. And that's it. Thanks for going on this little tour of this Miramar 2023 unit. For more information about this vehicle, please check out our website. It's commonwealthrv.com. There you'll find current pricing, availability, and many other vehicles for you to peruse. Hope to see you soon.